So in this video, we are going to learn how to create Pabbly email marketing subscriber on Shopify order. Let's say you're using Shopify to manage your e-commerce store and sell your products online. And you're using Pabbly email marketing as your email marketing platform. Now you want that whenever you receive a new order on your Shopify store, you want to add the same customer in Pabbly email marketing. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. In this automation, as a new sale will be happening in our Shopify store, as we get a new order, automatically the customer who placed the order will be added as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this complete automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen. So as you can see, this is my Shopify store. Now I want that whenever a customer is going to make a purchase on my Shopify store, I want to add that same customer as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. Now to do this, we have to connect our Shopify account with Pabbly email marketing. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration platform. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After creating your account and coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as Shopify to Pabbly Email Marketing. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. After naming our workflow, just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which we want to set up this automation and click on Create. And as you click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our Shopify store, our Shopify account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we get a new order on Shopify, automatically the details of the order and the details of the customer who placed the order will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the same customer to Pabbly email marketing and add that customer as a subscriber over there. So let's see how it is done. Here in our trigger step, in Choose App, search for Shopify and select Shopify version 2. After selecting Shopify version 2, here in Trigger Event from this drop-down, select the trigger event as New Order. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we are going to connect our Shopify account with Pabbly Connect. And to add this webhook URL, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy the webhook URL from here and go to your Shopify account. After coming to the Shopify account, from the left sidebar, go to Settings. And after coming to Settings, select Notifications. Under Notification, you can see this option of webhooks. Click on Webhooks and then click on Create Webhook. After clicking on Create Webhook, this dialog box will appear in front of us. Here in Event from this drop-down, we have to select the event as Order Creation. So we will just scroll down and select this event of Order Creation. Then in Format, we have to select the JSON, and here in the field of URL, as you can guess, we have to enter the exact same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. Just copy it from here and paste it over here. After pasting the webhook URL, here in Webhook API version, select the latest and click on Save. And as you click on Save, here you can see our Shopify account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. So we have added this webhook URL in Shopify, and here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, you can see it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture some response of a new order from Shopify. So let's do it. I'll go to my Shopify store and I'm going to make a dummy purchase over here. With the details of a dummy customer, we are going to place an order. So I'll just come to the checkout page. The email address of the customer is this. Then let's enter the name of the customer. The name is Demo User. The address is this, A101 New Street. Cities, for example, Bhopal. State is Madhya Pradesh. And this is the PIN code. And this is a dummy phone number which we are entering. After entering these details, because this is a test purchase, a dummy purchase, here in payment, we are going to enter the details of a test card. So this is a security key and the test card name is Bogus Gateway. And after this, just click on Pay Now. So what we have done, using the details of a dummy customer, just now we placed an order on our Shopify store. And as we receive the order on our Shopify store, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the exact same order. Here you can see the same total price for which the customer placed the order. We will scroll down further and then you can see the details of the customer as well. So here we have the address of the customer over here. Then we have the full name of the customer. We'll scroll down further. We have a separate response of first name and last name. Then you can see the details of the product for which the customer made the payment. So here you can see we have the name of the product Digital Marketing Mastery, the same product which we have purchased just now. And after that, here you can see all the other details related to the same orders over here. So in this way, the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully connected our Shopify account with Pabbly Connect and then captured the details of a new order which we have received on Shopify. After this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send the details of the same customer, we want to send the name and the email address of the same customer to Pabbly Email Marketing and add the subscriber over there. For that, we will scroll down, come to this action step, and then here in Choose App, search for Pabbly Email Marketing Pabbly. After selecting this, in action event from this drop-down, select the action event as Add Subscriber. Or if you have created some kind of custom fields in your Pabbly email marketing account, you can use the action event of Add Subscriber with custom fields. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Pabbly email marketing account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token from our Pabbly email marketing account. Now you must be thinking how you will get this API token. So to get it, just go to your Pabbly email marketing account. From the left sidebar, go to Integrations. Under Integrations, you can see this Developer API, select Developer API, and then here you can see the token. Just copy this token from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After pasting the API token, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see our Pabbly email marketing account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the list name. So here in this dropdown, you can see all the subscriber list which we have created in Pabbly email marketing. Out of all of them, in which particular list we want to basically add this subscriber, we have to select that. So I've created this list in Pabbly email marketing named as Shopify customers, in which I want to add the subscriber. So here from this dropdown, I'm going to select that particular list. After selecting the list, it is asking us for the email and the name. So we have received the details of the customer who placed the order from Shopify in the trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, one by one, we have to map this response of the name and the email address of the customer who placed the order in this action step of Pabbly email marketing. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of email, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Shopify of a new order. Out of all of these responses, we have to search for the response of email address and then just map it over here. So here we have the response of customer email, just select it and it will be mapped. Then here in the field of name, let's say I'll map the first name over here. So let's select the response of the first name of the customer, then add a space and map the response of the last name of the customer as well. So let's search for the last name and map it too. So in this way, we have entered the email address and the name of the customer over here in this Pabbly email marketing action step. After this, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received a success response. This means the details of the user which we have mapped over here, the customer who placed the order on our Shopify store, is now added as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So let's check it. We will go to a Pabbly email marketing account. We will just refresh this list once. And yes, here you can see that in the same subscriber list, Shopify customer, you can see the same customer who placed the order, demo user, is now added as a subscriber. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. I'll go back to my Shopify store and we are going to place another order with the details of a new customer. Let's go to the checkout page. The product is AI-powered workflow automation. So here we are going to enter the details of the customer for, let's say the customer email is this test1213@pabblytudes.com. Then the name of the customer is test user. This is the address, Z1 Old Street. Then city is, for example, Delhi. State is Delhi once again. And PIN code is this. This is a dummy phone number which we are entering.
and the payment details. So let's enter the payment details, the test card number over here, a future date, security code over here, and the card holder name is Bogus Gateway. So just now we have entered the details of another dummy customer. Let's click on Pay Now. And as we click on Pay Now here, you can see just now we have received a new order on our Shopify store. And as we do this, you can see instantly within seconds, the same customer who placed the order with the same email will be added as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing using this Pabbly Connect automation. So we'll just go to our Pabbly email marketing account, refresh this subscriber list once. And yes, here you can see that just now in the same list, another subscriber is added, and this is the same customer who placed the order on our Shopify store. So we have tested this automation and it is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find a clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.